Bonnie, happy Monday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm doing a Luminous first impression tonight. But first, oh my gosh, I am living up to my name, Queen of the Girl Geeks. I bought the tester today. Oh my gosh, I got the perfume and I think I grabbed the tester box because it was empty. I've done that occasionally where I bought the tester. Thankfully, my store is so wonderful. I'm just going to go back tomorrow and get the real perfume. So I'll have the perfume tomorrow. But look how pretty the box is. I am loving the box. But yeah, that was kind of my fault. So aside from my faux pas, I also got, by the way, the Luminous soap. Oh my gosh, I had to open this up and smell it. If you're looking for the most like decadent packaging to go with like a gifty thing, the gold and pinkish in the Luminous is absolutely gorgeous. I gotta say, I want to keep this paper. It is gorgeous. Speaking of gorgeous, I wanted to show you the floor set. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely wonderful. So there is the box that I probably took that had the tester. This is what the perfume bottle looks like. I absolutely love it. There's the box. That was probably empty. Look at how pretty this is though. I love it. Look at how decadent everything looks. I love the lid. Absolutely gorgeous. So I got the soap today and I got the tester perfume. And then I already had the lotion, the mist, and the shower gel, which I used last night. By the way, again, with the decadent packaging, I gotta say, this packaging I think is one of my favorite packagings that we've had in a really long time. Although the Christmas collection's looking really good. I love the lid. And actually, the price point, $18.95, isn't as high as I thought it was going to be with the fancy lid. Look at this beautiful lid. I thought this was going to be either $19.95 or $20.95. So while it's pricey, it's not as pricey as I thought it was going to be. Of course, always better to buy these when there's like a single price sale, which we're going to be getting a lot of those sales as we move into fall. So I'm going to spray a little of this on. First impression, I, of course, used the mini perfume a little while ago. I think this is very similar to Dahlia. I really do, which is interesting because both Dahlia and Fairy Tale are coming back for Christmas. So if you like kind of the fruity floral, the praline in it, you're going to love this one. So it is Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, and Praline Amber. I wish they kind of stretched out their scent notes a little bit. It's funny because I've been kind of analyzing this one. I definitely get the praline note in this one. It gives it a little bit of a sweetness, but there's also like a rich floral fruit note, but it's a sophisticated fruit. It smells very royal. By the way, I'm going to put a picture up right here because guess what I got today? I'm so excited about this. Saw the jeweled crown. It's like a perfume holder. It's funny because I wish it was round. I was like, is that a crown? I'm so excited. But it's kind of oblong and you can put like your perfume and your mist in there. I might get it at some point. I think it was $24, but it was really pretty. I really liked it a lot. So many pieces in the Luminous collection that I need to get. I want to get the body butter. I want to get the diamond shimmer mist. I want to get the scrub, but I figured I would start with a couple of pieces. I'm going to try the soap out. I did try the shower gel last night. It's nice. It's luxurious. Oh my gosh. You get that fruity note. It's a little bit sweet. There's a little bit of amber in here. I don't know. It just smells very fresh and just bright and happy for the holidays. So I'm actually really liking the entire Luminous collection. The packaging is gorgeous. I did not use the lotion yet. I'm probably going to gift the lotion off for Christmas, and then I'm going to get myself the body cream. I actually want to polish all my furniture with it, so my entire house smells like Luminous. There is a candle. I did not get the candle. I think there's going to be a $5.95 candle sale tomorrow. I'm hearing, I am not totally sure on that. But I think we might have a candle sale tomorrow on the single wicks. So lots going on. Like I said, I know Luminous is exciting, but you might want to hold off until there's a single body care sale and then just get the whole set. I think a lot of people are going to be buying multiples of this to possibly like gift off. I know I want to get more soap. The soap is absolutely, what is making all that noise? The soap is absolutely stunning. Anyway, I'm back to Bath and Body Works to get my perfume. I can't believe I did that. And I will be back tomorrow. I hope everyone has a great night. Bye-bye.